Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As we were discussing about the financial management, in this term, in the previous class, we have discussed about difference between profit maximization and wealth maximization. Now, today, we will discuss about role and importance of financial management. Dear students, financial management plays a vital role in maintaining the financial status and achieving the organizational goal and maintaining all the resources and allocating all the resources at appropriate cost in the organization. Dear students, in this concern, we will discuss today the following role or importance of financial management in a business organization, in which first is financial decision and control. Dear students, under the financial decision and control, the financial management and financial managers plays a crucial role in making financial decision and exercising control over the finances in the organization. They make use of techniques like ratio analysis, financial forecasting like preparation of budget or budgeting, and profit and loss analysis, etc. That's why it helps in taking financial decision and control over the financial sources, that how they are going to utilize the fund. The second importance of financial management, that is financial planning. Basically, the financial managers are responsible for planning of financial activities and resources in the organization. To this end, they use available data to understand the need and priorities of the organization, as well as, dear students, the overall economic situation, and make plans and budgets for the same. So, dear students, financial planning is basically prepared by the financial manager, and whatever planning they are doing, they must do the planning after watching the financial activities of the organization of the previous year, and according to the financial report of the previous year, they start planning so that they can easily understand that what is the need and in what proportion the organization is required the sources of finance and where. Now, dear students, the next term, that is capital management. In this term, dear students, while doing the capital management, it is the responsibility of financial management to estimate the capital requirement of the organization from time to time, and to determines the capital structure and composition, and make the choice of sources of funding for the capital needs. So, dear students, capital management, in the term of capital management, each and every financial manager has to think about the need and requirement of the sources of fund, that how much sources are required, how much funds are required, until or unless the amount of funds are not fixed, and how they are going to make the capital structure, how they are going to create the different sources of finance. Here capital structure means they are going to divide the capital according to its use, according to its requirement, like working capital or in fixed capital. Or if we are talking about capital structure in the sense of sources, then long term and short term sources of finance. So they have to think about it according to the requirement of the funds. Now dear students, the next term, that is allocation and utilization of financial resources. Dear students, financial management ensures that all financial resources of business organizations are used and invested effectively and efficiently so that the organization is profitable, sustainable and viable in the long run. Because the existence of organization depends on the utilization of financial resources and allocation of the financial resources. So for long run existence of the business enterprise, it is mandatory to use or to invest the financial resources effectively and efficiently. Until or unless the proper or effective and efficient use of financial resources, it is quite impossible to achieve the organizational goal or achieve the profit of the organization and to sustain in the market. And until or unless if the business enterprises is not obtaining profitability, then it is quite impossible to sustain in the market. There will be a question mark always on the sustainability of the business enterprise. So allocation and utilization of financial resources are required. Thereafter, dear students, cash flow management. Dear students, it is extremely important for the organizations to have sufficient working capital and cash flow to meet their operational expenses and emergencies. Suppose that some emergencies arise in the organization during the accounting year or during the business period. So that time cash flow management will help to operate or to manage these emergency situations. So for operational expenses or for meeting operational expenses, cash flow management is required. Until or unless if the business is not maintaining cash flow statement and not preparing cash flow statement, then it is quite impossible to determine the working capital of the business enterprises. Suppose that if all the creditors deny to provide credit, goods on credit, and they are rigid on their previous payment, then in that situation the organization must have certain funds as cash or as working capital so that they can easily repay the back debts of creditors and they can purchase the raw material or buy the raw materials by payment of cash. So in emergency situation, it is very much essential and required. Dear students, financial management tracks account payable and receivable to ensure there is sufficient cash flow available at all times. Now dear students, the next importance of the financial management, that is disposal of surplus. Dear students, if we are talking about the disposal of surplus, it means how the business is going to take the decision regarding utilization of the surplus or profit of the organization, how they are going to declare dividend, how they are going to declare interim dividend, at what rate the dividend should be declared and distributed and how much, and what proportion of the profit will be used as retained earning for a backup of the business enterprise, so that when it is required they can easily invest their retained earning in the business enterprise. So disposal of surplus is also important, and which can be done only through financial management. Thereafter, financial reporting is there. Each and every business enterprises maintains all necessary reports related to finance of organization and uses this as database for forecasting and planning financial activities. The next importance of financial management, that is risk management. Dear students, as we know, the business is completely full of risk. If you are operating the business enterprise, it means you are ready to operate the risks too. So sound financial management prepares the organization to forecast risk, put it in mitigation plans, as well as to meet unforeseen risk and emergencies effectively. If financial management is not there, if the business is not sound financially, then it is quite impossible to ready to bear the risk, ready to avail the unforeseen risk. Dear students, today we will stop it over here. Tomorrow we will start the discussion of the financial decisions. Till then, thank you.